Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by addressing power and connection right now. First, check the battery or battery pack. Make sure it's charged and seated firmly. Next, plug the controller into the Xbox with a known good USB-C cable so it won't auto-sleep while you set things up. Then open the Xbox Accessories app. You need to see if a firmware update is available. Doing these steps now prevents wasted troubleshooting later and establishes a stable link for updates and settings changes. Once done with the connection, update the controller firmware through Xbox Accessories. Updates fix sleep bugs and improve stability. After that, make sure your console uses Instant-On Power Mode in Settings General Power Mode and Startup so the system doesn't cut power unpredictably. While testing, keep the controller wired or on a play and charge kit so it stays awake. This shows whether the issue comes from wireless power management versus hardware. These steps isolate the cause and often stop unwanted turnoffs. To finish, perform a soft reset by holding the Xbox button for about 10 seconds until it powers off, then power it back on and repair. If the controller still turns off randomly, swap the USB cable and battery pack, or test another controller to identify whether the accessory or console is at fault. If you continue to get shutdowns after firmware and resets, contact support or replace the battery module. Those are the usual culprits when software fixes don't help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.